I'm Rosalind, the founder of Cookery School.
And I'm Stefan, and I'm the lead tutor on the Cook Certificate.
And in addition to the two of us, we use a whole raft of specialist teachers that will help take you through this journey on the Cook Certificate at Cookery School.
So the Cook Certificate is an intensive 6-week cookery course designed to fast-track you into the food industry.
Or to make you into a really interesting and enthusiastic home cook.
Well, there are no typical students, they're all ages. It's more about people who want to fast-track into the industry, but it's also about people who just want to become more confident as home cooks. Well, we teach everything from our beginners level up into a more advanced level. It's all about taking someone from the beginning of their cooking journey across to a more advanced and technical knowledge. Along the way, they learn different cuisines, different techniques, pastry, and bread, and Thai cuisine, and dim sum, and all kinds of different ways of cooking and learning how to cook.
Yeah, and I would actually say there's very little they don't learn.
Yeah.
And in fact, as the course has progressed, we've added new things into the course when people have said, we'd love to learn this. It's okay, we'll make space for it, and we've learned it. So it's a really comprehensive course.
Throughout the 6-week course, there are assessments going on, purely for your own benefit, to kind of test your own skills against how you've been learning, all done at your own pace. The idea being that you can really test yourself and you can really develop your skills in a way that you feel comfortable with.
At the end of the course, we offer everyone a week in a professional kitchen or restaurant, and the feedback we get on that is really good because our graduates are able to go in, use the understanding they've got and the knowledge they've got, and apply it to any situation. And we found that a number of people that have been placed have been offered jobs. Whether they've taken them or not, they've been offered jobs very often on the spot.